Hey everyone, welcome to No Guilt Just Pleasure. This is the recipe for cheese club sandwich. This can be your cheesy, healthy, tasty, creamy recipe for evening snacks, or you can take it as your lunch. So let's make it without further ado. So I have taken brown breads here. So it is made up of whole wheat flour, and some people like to remove the sides, but I personally like them, so I'm not removing them. So this is tomato ketchup, apply it on one side of it, and then I'm gonna sprinkle some of the red chili pepper, and this is a green leaf. You can use lettuce here. With this is I have taken from my garden, pumpkin leaf, which is very tasty if you have tried it. This is sliced tomato, then onion rings over it. This is salt as per your liking, sprinkle over it. Then some black pepper powder, which is really tasty with cheese, so use it as much as you like. I'm gonna use a lot of it. Then we're going to top it off with a bread slice, which is going to be like this, and then some chopped onion, chopped tomatoes, and carrot slices. And I'm really interested in knowing when you guys are having it in your evening snacks or lunchtime or morning breakfast on Sunday. Let me know in the comments down below. Again, sprinkle some salt as per your taste, and then the star of this recipe, cheese slice. So normally people just put like one slice here, but I'm particularly trying to make it more cheesy, so I'm gonna put two here, and then a lot of black pepper. Like I said, I love black pepper and cheese. This combination is really good. If you haven't tried this, then you must. Then some red chili flakes. Now the top slice of the bread, apply some ketchup. Press it a little bit. Put the pan on the flame. If it is non-sticky, then you don't need to use butter or oil in this, because it won't stick and you will still get the good crust, tasty crust. So it'll be a healthy thing. Like if you don't want to avoid butter or anything, then you can apply it, but I personally don't prefer it all the time on my regular days, so that's why I'm not applying it here. So this is going to be really good. I have already turned it over, flipped it, and made the crust on both of the sides. Look at that. Look at the crust. Look at that golden brown color, and I haven't even applied anything. So serve it with ketchup, mayo. I have served it here with some potato chips, some crisp fries. Let's cut it. Let's see how it looks. So when sometimes we cut it, things spill out. So for that you can use this wrapping thing, plastic wrap, and just wrap tightly around it and then make the cut. This is very good way if you want to carry it in your lunchbox. See, look at that. Isn't it mouth watering? So if you like the recipe, make sure that you hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon as well, so that you get all the videos when you post them. Look at that, guys. It is so tasty. You must try this. Don't just watch it. Make sure that you try this and live your life happy, healthy, and guilt-free. And share this love with your friends and family by sharing this tasty and healthy recipe with them. That is really tasty. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.